Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to show you the tutorial on the July 2017. And from the question, they have give us observation. And then these are the time in minutes. So they have 16 observation. And then we need to find the average time, and then normal time, and also the standard time. Don't give us any performing rating or the allowance. Okay, so let's move on. The first one is to take the average time. So we have 16 observations. So the first thing is to check whether there's some data that we need to delete. So far 0.09. Okay, the highest one is 0.14. So I think every data is okay. So we going to take the average all the 16 data, 16 observations. So the total is 1.74 minutes. Then we need to divide by 16. So the average of the time is 0.1088 minutes. Next, they give us the performance rating 90%. And personal allowance of 8%. So we need to find the standard time. So from observed time, we convert to normal time first. So average observed time, we calculated just now. And the factor rating is 90%. So the average observed time is 0.1088 minutes time 90%, 0.9. So we have 0.0979 minutes. Okay. And then the standard time, in which we have the normal time here. The allowance factor is 8%. So 0.0979 divided by 1 minus 8%, 0.08. So we get 0.1064 minutes for this question. And then they give us another set of performance rating 95% and personal allowance 10%. So we use the same observed time. So the first step is to convert the observed time to normal time, in which we have the same observed time 0.1088, but this time performance rating is 95%, so time with 0.95, so we get 0.1034 minutes. Then we convert to standard time, so the normal time is 0.1034 minutes. The allowance given is 10%, so 1 minus 0.10. So we're going to get 0.1148 minutes. So we have two answers. Okay, the first one, they gave us 90% performance rating and 8% allowance. And this one is the set for 95% and also 10% allowance. So we want to compare, okay, analyze which option, 3 or 4, that will provide the best standard time. So we know that the first one, by 90% rating and 8% allowance, we get 0.1064. And for the second one, we with the 95% rating and personal allowance of 10%, we get 0.1148. So to decide which one have the best standard time is we're going to look at the shortest time. So the shortest time is this option. So option 2, yeah. So option 2, this one, okay, with 90% performance and 8% allowance, provide the best standard time. Why? Due to the shortest time compared to this option. Okay, so we get 2 marks here. And now calculate how many observation with Z 2.59. So this time they give you direct Z value, so you don't have to find from normal table, and they give you desired accuracy. So desired accuracy, so which formula they're going to use for total number of observation should be this one. Okay, so we have Z 2.59. They don't give us any S here, the standard deviation, so we need to find it. So H is from this desired accuracy, 5% is 0.05, and X bar is from the observed, okay, observed average time, in which we get 0.1088, in which to make it easier for us to calculate, so we round up to 0.11 minute. Okay, so we take the information from this table to get the standard deviation. So S is not given, so we're going to use this formula to find the S. So from this data, we have all the 16 observation, and the formula here is the X minus X bar. So X for observation 1 is 0.09. So we minus with the X bar 0.11, so we get negative 0.02. So we have to do for all the other 15 observation. For example, this one is 0.11 minus the observed average is 0.11, so it becomes 0. So we have to do all 16, and then from this result you have to square, because they want the sum of the square. So you have to square all the result here and sum, so you get 0.0038. Now you need to plug in into this formula. So 0.0038 divided by this number of observation is 16, minus 1 is 15, and then you square root, then you get 0.0159 for the S value. So once you get the S value, so you plug in into this formula. So Z is 2.59, S is 0.0159, divided by H is 0.05, times the X bar is 0.11, square you get 56.115. Then this is an observation, so we have to round up. So observation should be 57 observation. Okay, minimum of 57 observation. Okay, that's all for the question. So I hope you understand how to find the S. Thank you.